Hello everyone. In this video I want to show you the best strategy to make money on crypto arbitrage. Today we will work between two exchanges. We will buy Ethereum on Binance and sell it more expensive on the other exchange. It's very easy and each of you can do it. I will show you step by step how to do it. First we need to see the actual price of Ethereum on Binance. At the moment the Ethereum price on Binance is $3,600. Now we need to go to another exchange and see the price there. This exchange is called Meebits. I have been working on this exchange for a long time and I like it very much. Also here the prices for cryptocurrency are higher than on other exchanges. At the moment the price of Bitcoin on this exchange is $4,000. This is about 10% more expensive than on Binance. We can make a very good profit on this price difference. To do this we have to transfer our Ethereum from Binance or any other exchange or wallet to this exchange and then sell our Ethereum here and make good money on the price difference. I have successfully made a deposit of $10,000. I sent 2.74 Ethereum. Now we need to transfer our Ethereum from Funding Wallet to Spot Wallet, and after that we can sell our Ethereum. After a successful transfer, we need to go to the Exchange tab and then select Market here and enter the amount of Ethereum we want to sell, and then click on the Sell ETH button. Congratulations, we have successfully sold Ethereum and received a USDT. After that, we need to transfer the USDT from the Spot Wallet back to the Funding Wallet and then withdraw our money. After a successful transfer, we need to go to the Withdraw tab and select USDT here, and then enter our wallet address and the amount we want to withdraw. Great, I have successfully withdrawn USDT to my wallet. Usually the money comes in 10 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked my strategy and you were able to make good money too. Please like this video and write a comment. On my channel will soon be new videos about making money on cryptocurrency. Good luck to everyone and see you soon.